Silicon Valley is building AI agents that think and act like humans. But we're making a critical mistake. Think of a master chef. They don't just follow recipes, they taste, adjust, and improvise. That's human agency. It can't be downloaded. Today's AI agents are sophisticated mimics. They copy the visible patterns of work, but miss three crucial elements of human intelligence. First, abstraction. Humans create new patterns in real time. When an underwriter sees a borderline case, they don't just apply rules, they invent new ones. Second, tacit knowledge. The gut feelings we can't explain. A loan officer knows a client's creditworthiness is based on more than just the numbers. Third, reasoning. Navigating trade-offs. The best employees know when to bend rules to serve customers. Like an insurance claims adjuster who fast-tracks a family's flood damage claim during an emergency, prioritizing human need over processing time. The future isn't about replacing human intelligence. It's about understanding what makes it irreplaceable. We need systems that capture invisible expertise, preserve human judgment in the loop, and amplify rather than automate. At Skan AI, we observe millions of real-world actions, learning from top performers to build AI that reflects the best of how humans actually think and work. We stand at a crossroads. We can build systems that do more but understand less, or we can choose intelligence that mirrors not just human outputs, but human depths. The question isn't whether we can build artificial agency, it's whether we can do so without losing our own. Scan the possibilities and unlock the secret sauce to agentic AI success.